Redis transactions let you group commands, but what stops another client from changing a value right before you commit? That is exactly the problem Watch solves. Optimistic locking assumes contention is rare. You read a value, do your math, then ask Redis to apply the write only if nobody else touched the key in the meantime. No lock is ever held. First you watch the key, then read it. Inside multi and exec, Redis queues your commands atomically. If any watched key was modified by another client before exec fires, the whole transaction is aborted and exec returns nil. In the first run, nobody touches the key, so exec commits and balance drops to 90. In the second run, we sneak in a set after watch and exec returns nil, the transaction was aborted. When reviewing a pull request, the most dangerous mistake is ignoring the return value of exec. A nil response means the update was silently dropped. Also flag any watch call placed inside multi, it does nothing there. Remember, watch plus a retry loop gives you safe optimistic concurrency. The two things to always catch in review are a missing nil check on exec and a missing retry. Without them, lost updates happen silently.